Most people don't know that with just a can of tuna, they can watch every TV channel in the world. All you need is one can and an antenna cable. Open the can and place the contents in a dish for dinner or lunch. We won't need them for this. Tear off the lid of the can. In the empty can, make a hole in the center. Thread the antenna cable connector through it. If the hole is too big, use hot glue to secure it to the can. Prepare about 10 centimeters of antenna cable. Remove the insulation from half of the cable, leaving only the inner wire. Leave about 2 centimeters of the wire exposed on the other end and attach the connector. Now, detach the tab from the can lid. That's what we'll need to watch TV. Attach the other end of the antenna cable to the tab. Next, prepare the antenna cable by gently stripping off the outer insulation, leaving only the wire. Attach the connector. Do the same on the other end of the cable. The cable with the tab from the can should be secured inside the can. This will serve as our antenna. On the other side, screw the cable connector onto the can. Finally, attach the antenna plug to the cable's end, and that's it. Just connect it to your TV, and you can watch any channel. Properly positioned, it will allow you to access all channels.